Today we're going to be taking a look at the A minor chord. It sounds like that, and the shape is very similar to the E major shape, which we looked at in the last video, which is E. We're taking that whole shape and we're moving it down a string. Now, one key thing here is we don't play the thickest E string, not in the A chord. Not in A or A minor. We'll look at A in the next video. So we play the A string with no fingers on there. Then we put our middle finger on the D string on the 2nd fret, a ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G, and then our pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B. And then we let that open E, that high note, ring out there as well. And a tip that I tried using with the D chord, which helped me land this, is playing the chord, lifting your finger but holding that shape, dropping it down all together, and then that gets that shape configuration to land all together when you try to do chord changes. For example, from A minor to D to G. All of those fingers are trying to land in time, as well as like trying to be in sync, I'm trying to say. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. If you want some more videos, I'll be posting them. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, get out of here.